So we're out here on the Detroit River. We're in the upper right now. You know, a lot of people, when you think about the Detroit River, they think about the spring walleye run, the spawning run. Everyone loves to fish, and they wonder when it occurs. And you know, and a lot of people think that after that run is over, that the good walleye fishing on the river is over, and that's just not the case. There's a great bite in the summertime. I don't leave. I'll vertical jig, pull bottom bouncers, and of course pull wire out here on the river. But you know, as we get into fall, what happens is, you know, everyone has heard about the migration, how these fish kind of travel across Lake Erie and Lake St. Clair up to Saginaw Bay to get to their summertime haunts and then come back to the river to spawn. Traditionally, a lot of people have thought that those fish will stop and hang up around the mouth of the rivers, the mouth of the Detroit River, the mouth of the Saginaw River, and overwinter there. But you know, what happens is a lot of these fish actually will come back into the river to overwinter before they make their final run to their spawning ground. So we're in the upper, where you got a push of fish that have come in from Lake St. Clair. I know there's a great bite right now in the lower river on the Canadian side. Those fish have pushed out of Erie. So those fish will come in, they'll hang out in deeper waters off the shipping channel, you know, in that 30 to 40 foot of water. It's a great bite in the fall time. So when you think about the Detroit River, just don't limit yourself to the springtime. There's good fishing to be had year round, especially in the fall. We're catching lots of limits, lots of good fish. So that's my tip for coming up and fishing the Detroit River any time of the year.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.